Welcome to Bright Minds Studio. Let's learn 5 easy English words with phonics. Are you ready? Let's begin. C says k. Listen carefully. K. Now you try the sound. K. K. A says eh. Listen carefully. Eh. Now say it with me. Eh. T says t. Listen carefully. T. Now you try the sound. T. T. C-A-T. Blend the sounds. K. At.
Cat.
Cat. Great job. B says b. Listen carefully. B. Now say it with me.
B.
Now A says Listen carefully. Now you try the sound. T. T. Listen carefully. T. Say it with me now.
T.
T. T. B-A-T. Blend the sounds. B-at. Bat! Well done! H says eh. Listen carefully. H. Now say it with me. Great job! E says eh. Listen carefully. Eh. Now you try the sound. E says n. Listen carefully. N. Say it with me now.
N.
N. H. E-N. Blend the sounds. E-N.
Hen.
Great job! P says p. Listen carefully. P. Now say it with me. P. 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 E says eh. Listen carefully. E. Now you try the sound. E. N says p. Listen carefully. N. Now say it with me now.
N.
P. E. N. Blend the sounds. P. E. N.
Pen.
Well done! F says f. Listen carefully. F. Now say it with me. F. F. O says O. Listen carefully.
O.
X says x. X. Listen carefully. X. F-O-X.
F-O-X.
Fox. Fox. Great job! Great job! Today we learned cat, bat, pen, and fox. Great job! See you next time! Bye!